Hey. Oh, hey, man. Killing Pablo. Keep it down. Dude, I got set up because I'm acting up. Dude, let's get out of here. I mean, get out of here. I mean, get out of the school. Let's do it. So what's the plan? So, we're here right here. Alright, we're gonna go up Campcraft Road, through up to West Bank Drive. Then we're gonna go through the senior parking lot, up into the EISD Central Administration Unit, and then go through the staff parking lot, cut through here, go down this road, cut back across West Bank Drive, and go here. Well, isn't that kind of time consuming? I mean, look, alright, so we're right here. Instead of going, we can go right here, up Campcraft Road, onto West Bank Drive, and then go back home. Not up here, go here, and back where we started. No, dude, let's go the other way. Let's go my way. They're gonna have sentry guns, they're gonna have cops, they're all gonna be looking for us. If we go my way, we're not gonna have any of that trouble. Are you sure about that? The only people we have to worry about if we go my road is the hall monitors and the vice president of the Hall Monitors Association. Let's do it.
Oh my God! Okay, I'm walking in around right now, and there's a couple of people with hall passes, but other than that, I don't see anybody else. The only problem is I've been checking the attendance roster, and Bartoldu and Smashamore have not been to 2 classes. Those bastards.
2 ways. Okay, we can just take him out quietly, or we can go all out, you know what I mean? Alright, I took some extra Advil this morning. We can go all out. Let's do it. Rock, paper, scissors on Lucas to get him, okay?
Yeah.
Hey, hall monitor.
Oh, smashing more. You got the hall pass?
Yeah, I got it. I got it right here. Well, what should we do with the body? Just leave it, man. We'll be out of here soon. All right.
I found it.
All right. Let's go for that. Ladies first. Let's go. Smells like crap in here. Let's go. We're almost there.
Hey!
Oh crap! It's the Vice President of the Hall Monitors Association!
That's right! You're gonna have to pay for what you did!
I got this guy. You got the last one.
I know your secret, but I took Mucinex too.
You handle this! Well, let's see. We got about 15 minutes till school ends. I'm freaking hungry. And it's a couple miles till I get to my house. Let's take the bus home. Alright, yeah, let's go.